Welcome everyone. Welcome once again. But before we start, let's have this news first. Uh, Tech Mahindra, yes, Tech Mahindra TM recruitment examination 2000-2001 for pass out 2000-2001. Results of the first stage of assessment is not out yet. Yes, it's 12:40 p.m. 2nd of December 2020, and Tech Mahindra assessment results are not out yet. Moving on, now Tech Mahindra is over. So what next? Yes, next is Win Wipro series, Wipro National Level Talent Hunt for 2021 pass out freshers would be there soon, and for them we have this entire series uploaded. Few videos are already there. Let's see what we have. Once you'll visit our YouTube channel, it's MJ Maths and Stats, MJ Magic Studio. Go to the playlist section. There's Win Wipro 2021 playlist, and as you browse through the playlist, you can see that episode 1, 2, 3 of 15 to 20 question each on quantitative aptitude is already there. Topic wise question bank is there for search and indices, probability, number system, reasoning. 100 questions are there. Time and work, time, speed and distance, logarithm. Few basic questions on these topics already covered. You can watch these videos to dwell deeper into the aspects of these particular topics. We will be coming up with more questions on different topics very soon. We have plans, and obviously plans are there. So before we move in, please subscribe to the channel MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. And please hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we are putting up any new video. So moving forward to the Wipro Elite NTH 2021, what are their plans? What is the current news about this particular exams? So I thought of going and visiting their sites on careers.wipro.com/elite. So what is there on this website? Let's see. Overview. Elite NLTH is a freshers hiring initiative to attract blah 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 blah, but registration is currently not open. Just see, we will notify you once we start the registration process. Okay, it will open soon. Let us see the eligibility criteria. What's there? Education, year of passing should be 2021, qualification BE Tech, designation project engineer 3.5 lakhs per annum INR, and other criterias are there for you to read. Please check it out before. Selection process is quite similar to what they have in the previous year. 2 online assessment of 128 minutes comprising of 3 sections. Aptitude test, which is like test of logical ability, quantitative ability and English verbal ability. It would be like for 48 minutes, and let me give you the more bifurcation. Verbal would be around 22 questions, which we need to do it in 18 minutes. Con 16 questions to be done in 16 minutes, and logical reasoning or reasoning ability 14 questions in 14 minutes. So it will be around 52 questions to be handled in 48 minutes. Written communication test will follow, where essay need to be written in 20 minutes time, and then it will be followed by online programming test. That's the coding test, and the duration for this would be 60 minutes. 2 programs for coding would be given. So last day to apply is given here is 5th January 2021, and online assessment will be tentatively between 11th of January to 17th of January, and all other information is included. Please go through it. Please note that at any stage, whether during your online test or interview process or upon hiring, it is brought to their notice that you were indulged in any malpractices or use any illegal means to clear, beware. Beware, they would be withdrawing or revoking the offer with immediate effect. So if you have any question or concern related to Wipro, you can contact them directly. See, let's apply now. Apply now tab is there. Let me click on apply now tab and see what's happening. Nothing happens because this tab is closed, as it was mentioned in the earlier text, isn't it? I'm trying, but it's not opening because the registration for Elite NLTH is currently not open. So let's hope that it will be open if you haven't registered. If you have registered, you are there, and the last date of registration as given is 5th of January again, and tentatively exams will be held around 11th to 17th of January. So what next up in our kitty? As you can see, we will be coming up with the entire WinWipro series with questions and solutions. And yes, this time we will start with direction sense, because I have this sixth sense that at least 1 or 2 questions would be asked from direction sense. So good 15 questions solved for you would be uploading very soon. Then episode 4, 16 sample questions. As I've said, that there will be 16 questions from cons on different topics related to probability, permutation, combination, simple interest, compound interest, averages, profit and loss, percentages, ratio, proportion, variation, time and work, time, speed, distance. So including all these topics, we'll come up with 16 sample questions in episode 4. Mock test, 16 questions, 16 minutes will be followed by this, that will be in episode 5, which I'll try to solve up with the detailed concepts. And the last one would be episode 6, mock test of 16 questions, 16 minutes, which we'll try to solve it in actually 16 minutes. Real-time solution would be published. And as far as reasoning is concerned, yes, different analogies, classification, word formation, and an entire lot of reasoning videos for logical reasoning section, where would be encountering 14 questions which need to be tackled in 14 minutes. So under the series how to crack text of reasoning in all competitive examination, we would be uploading the entire series chapter wise before you would be writing your examination. WinWipro this time, yes, we are going to win it. Thank you everyone, and this was the little piece of information. Again, Tech Mahindra results are not out. Wipro tab is closed as far as registration is concerned related to National Level Talent Hunt 2021. And yes, we have started uploading videos related to Wipro examination to be conducted between 11th to 17th January, as they are put across on their website. So gear up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. It's MJ's Maths and Stats, or MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm Mohit Jain signing off from the channel, and I'll see you soon. Stay connected. I'll see you soon. Thank you.